Hi everybody, today we're going to be focusing on our lower back. So go ahead and bring your knees as wide as your mat and bring your big toes to touch. Come to child's pose. Relax your forehead on the mat. Let your hips sink back and over your heels. Allow the belly to fall heavy in between your thighs. And just allow your body to melt into the ground. Walk your hands over to the right side, creating just a nice little side stretch on the left side. Keep your hips back and squaring over the heels. Inhale back to center. Exhale as you bring it over to the left side. Keep pressing the hips back. Gently bring your hands back to the middle. Take a nice big breath in through your nose. And as you exhale, let the belly fall even heavier. Gently press yourself up to a tabletop position. Bring your hands directly below your shoulders and your knees directly below your hips. Cat-cow, drop the belly, gaze goes up. Big exhale as you come to cat. Pulling the belly in, tucking the chin towards your chest, really feeling each vertebrae disconnect here and separate. Inhale, drop the belly, gaze goes up. Exhale, cat pose, pull the belly in, round the spine. Inhale, cow pose, drop the belly, gaze goes up. Exhale, cat, pull the belly in, round the spine. Neutral spine, tabletop position. Tuck the toes, press the hips up and back to downward facing dog. Pedal out the feet right and left. Slowly dropping each heel to touch the mat. Now if your heels don't touch the mat, that's okay. Just do the best you can. Bring your gaze to the top of your mat and just gently step your feet forward. Keeping your feet about hip-width distance apart. Place a slight bend in your knees. Inhale as you bring your hands around each elbow. Let your head and neck fall heavy. Notice the weight come into the balls of the feet. You want to make sure you're not back in the heels. You want to keep the weight slightly forward. Let the belly fall over the thighs. Maybe swing side to side. You can even place your hands directly behind the base of your head. Or you can interlace your hands behind you, straightening the arms and letting the weight of the arms fall forward. Your choice. Just make sure that your knees continue to stay bent. Relax the arms right down. Bring your hands back down onto the mat. Toe heel your feet together. Straighten the legs. Halfway lift, big breath in. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana, high to mid plank, or just press back to downward facing dog. Bring the gaze to the top of your mat, step your feet forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise up onto the toes, lift your heels. Exhale, squat, curl, drop the hips down and over the heels, tucking the chin towards your chest. Inhale through the nose. Exhale, forward fold, drop your heels. Inhale, rise up onto the toes. Exhale, squat, curl, really rounding the spine here, not forgetting about the chin towards your chest. Drop the heels, forward fold. One more. Inhale, rise up onto the toes. Lift, lift, lift. Exhale, squat, curl, drop the hips down and over the heels. Drop the heels down, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Bend the elbows. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Bring your gaze to the top of your mat. Step your feet forward. Come to a comfortable seat on your mat. Bring the soles of your feet together. Pull yourself in a little closer, let your knees go wide. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up. Exhale as you slowly bring the weight down. And just let the head go heavy. Really feel, again, that roundness in the spine. And just as the weight continues to go heavy, as you bring it forward, start to feel that decompression right in the lower part of your back. Take a nice big breath in through your nose. Exhale, maybe walk the hands out a little further. Slowly roll it up one vertebrae at a time. And that concludes our stretch for our lower back. I'll see you guys later. Have a good one.